just tried my first try of 3D Fiber Lashes Plus. Like I said a few times, it's come out today. Um, it is a takeoff of our original mascara, but it has been enhanced in just about every way you could imagine. So it has a new wand to make application a little bit more precise and quick, and it also, the fibers have changed and they're enhanced with Uplift Eye Serum, so now it nourishes your lashes. What I have going on, if you saw my last video, I had no mascara on. The only thing I've done is I've put one round of the 3D Fiber Lashes Plus on here, and if you know me, sometimes I like to get nuts and just layer on to get like crazy falsies. But look at this, just one round, just basic, out the door, looking great. I think it's a pretty great result here.